Hey yo everyone! I've talked about slurry before. The slurry I'm using now is I've sprinkled water over the base of the shower, and then I've sprinkled like that glue. This is glue. Then you slap your mud down before it dries. And get it all covered. So once I've covered it, I know it's going to stick. DIYs. You always have your mud stick to your base. Always. Because having drummy tiles is the worst. It's a tiler's nightmare to have drummy tiles, so you never ever have drummy tiles. Never ever. It's a biggie. So get it covered, get your glue covered. Even though this is a thick shower base, I'm coming up to the top of that. You won't hear sort of drumminess as if I was doing a 15mm bed. You'd sure hear it drummy then. A tiler's been in here before. He buggered off with the deposit, so they've got me to come in. There wasn't much damage done. I'm going to be waterproofing it again over the top of my screed because I've got a strip drain going in. This is how you mix. This is how you mix the mud with a drill. I have poured in about 70ml of water, DIY. You can mix your mud in all different ways. I like to mix it with my drill, but you can do it in a barrow, you can do it on the floor. Any way you want. I prefer my mixing drill. So I've poured in about half a bag, I've mixed it, and then you dry it off. I don't have to be super dry with my mud because I'm going so thick. All I need to do is cover my slurry. If your bucket spins, hold it with your feet, and that's all there is to it. Now that mud will stick to that glue nicely. I've got this bit of timber here. Usually I use aluminium for my water stop. This time it's plastic, and I need to keep it I want to keep it nice and straight. So I've got a piece of timber there to help hold it nice and straight. Once I build my mud up against it, it'll hold it in position. Now that I've covered all my glue, I have no worries about drumminess, because when I put mud on top of that mud, it just all glues together, it sticks together. Jesus. Whew. I've got 2 trowels going. Far out. One's enough. Now I'll... Where's my tile with my mark? Right. Now that mark is the top of my mud. So I'll put in my pads and then I can fill it accordingly. So I'll come back to you shortly when I'm filling in my, when I've done the pads. I'll come back to you when I'm filling it in. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.